Vertical gardens grow plants above each other instead of beside each other as you would traditionally grow them. They may be grown on a wall or facade in a building, or in tiered containers in a greenhouse. There are lots of ways of growing gardens vertically. You can grow plants in pockets of soil in a garden wall, or grow in a hydroponic system, such as NFT, which stands for Nutrient Flow Technique. Use a series of hanging baskets and pots at different heights to produce a vertical screen. Grow climbers on a trellis attached to a wall or fence. Train trees or shrubs as an espalier. Sometimes vertical gardens are grown mostly for their aesthetic effect, but they can also have a functional and practical purpose. Plants will improve air quality and have an ecotherapeutic effect, lowering stress and improving psychological well-being. Plants on vertical walls increases air humidity, shades walls, and can reduce temperatures in urban areas. Plants can also attract pollinating insects, wildlife, and birds. Crops grown vertically optimizes the use of space in urban areas. Fresh produce is also closer where needed, for example, in supermarkets and restaurants. Vertical gardens pose a variety of challenges for garden builders. Any surface used to support plants need to be waterproof. They must be structurally sound, and plants selected should be hardy and able to withstand harsh environments. Maintenance is important for a design to thrive. Balance is needed between various aspects of the maintenance program, including the feeding and watering of plants. All plants will need to be watered regularly, which may require a special pumping or hydroponic system. There may also be old and damaged plants that need replacing. Some plants may need temporary support to support a heavy crop. Non-clinging climbers may need extra support to keep the growth trained in the right position. Urgent repairs to system failures, like an electrical fault, clogged drains from roots, or an overflow of drains due to extreme storm weather. Changes to the original design, where problems are recognized, or extensions to the original design due to building works or additions. From a horticultural perspective, plants that are growing in a vertical garden need well-developed support systems in place to ensure they grow healthily and safely.